Hello, Bob Rollins here with U.S. Africa Children's Fellowship. This is video 4 for people customizing their bridge pies. In video 3, we downloaded some PDFs from the internet and put them in this folder. Let's add them to a page in the pie. So we're here at the web-based interface and we have to do WP-admin to log in. I logged in before, but if I had logged out, then you would have gotten this sign in dialog box. The username is Pi, the password is Rachel, and we are in. Up here we have our tools. You can see how we edit the home page, but now we're going to go to New Page. So let's call this new page New Nigeria Web Resources. And we'll click Publish on the right. And now we have this new page and I'm going to edit it. So first I'm going to title it. Let's call it 4 Great Resources from the Web. And I'm going to select it, align it in the center, make it a cool color, make it bigger. And now let's go over here and we will add the media. We'll click on Add Media. These are the files that are already in the chip. We need to click here to upload files. So I'm going to select those 4. Let's see if we can get back to, here we go, new downloads. And I'm going to select all of them and upload them. Great, and down here on the bottom right, you see where it says Insert into Page. So there they all are, and you see they just kind of got bunched in. I need to go in there and put some spaces in there. Let's see, there were 4 of them. There we go. And just for style, I'm going to select over here and make them bulleted like that. And we can keep it very spare like that. We can change the names in here. 20 question. Ooh, why'd that happen? 20 question study guide. That seems fine. So now I'm going to click over here to update it. And now it is saved, but we have to add it to the menu. So let's go over here to Appearance and go down to Menus. Come here, Menus. Okay, so the web page that we just created, I think I called it New Nigeria Web Resources. So I'm going to click here and say Add to Menu. So now it's been added to the menu, but it always gets added by the program at the very bottom. See it here? So I'm going to drag it all the way. It's a little stubborn, but you can get it all the way to be the very first. Well, here, I'll keep it under Nigerian and literature. Okay, so now I'm going to save this menu. And that should work, but let's check it. Check it in a different browser. So I'll go to my 10.10.10/HTML/WordPress. And let's go over to this. So it did not get added, did it? Let's see. Oh, yes, it did. Okay. And so, for example, here's the 20 question study guide. Let's see if it came through. And so there it is. And now it's been added to our to our digital library, and people can use it. And if you want to go ahead and clean up the page, you can go back to the website, I mean the library site, and now you're logged in as an administrator. So to get to that page, you get to it the same way, but now that you're an administrator, it says edit down here. So I'll click on edit, and this will let me change some things. Like maybe I don't want it to say text there, and maybe I want this to be a different color now. Just change it. Maybe I want to put in some directions. So I'll say just click on each link to download. And I'll put that in its own line. Just doing this to show you how easy it is to customize things. And let's remember that now we still have to update it. Now here's a little troubleshooting thing. Sometimes things won't get saved properly, and a fix for that is to go up and delete the cache. And some people just delete it every time they do anything. But let's go back and take a look, make sure that the page is looking good, and make sure that it's working. And it is, so I'm going to stop this video here. Thank you.